I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough juice. Plug in if under 5% to avoid shutdowns. Next, swipe up to open the app's drawer and tap settings, then go to battery or device care. Samsung sometimes hides power saving under battery. Once you see battery options, tap it to reveal power saving mode controls. Make sure you're looking at the correct profile if multiple modes are listed, because different names mean the same feature across models. You now disable the mode itself. Toggle off power saving or battery saver at the top. This restores CPU performance and network access. If adaptive or smart power saving is on, turn that off as well, because it can re-enable limits automatically. Then tap Advanced Settings and review CPU, brightness, and background app limits. Clear any caps so apps run normally. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't tied to the mode. If it is, disable that linking so settings remain independent. Once done, confirm changes by opening a demanding app or streaming video to see if performance and background activity resumed. If toggles don't stick, restart the phone, then clear the settings or battery app cache and apps info, because cached state can misreport modes. If the issue persists, update Android and Samsung system apps, and as a last step reset settings, not a full data wipe, to restore defaults. This usually fixes stubborn power-saving locks without losing your files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.